Have you ever pondered over the best niches to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Today we're going to unravel that mystery and delve into 24 of the most lucrative faceless YouTube niches. 1. Animation. With the right software, you can create captivating stories, educational content, or funny cartoons. Animation allows for boundless creativity, making it a profitable avenue. 1. Whiteboard explainers. These videos are educational and engaging, perfect for explaining complex topics in a simple, visually appealing way. 1. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response videos are incredibly popular. With nothing more than a microphone, you can create soothing sounds that give viewers a sense of calm. 1. Meditation and relaxation. Guided meditation, ambient sounds, or sleep-inducing tracks can attract a massive audience seeking tranquility and peace. 1. Video game walkthroughs. Share your gaming skills with the world by providing game tips, walkthroughs, or reviews. 1. Product reviews. From tech gadgets to beauty products, people always appreciate a detailed review before making a purchase. 1. Cooking and recipe videos. Share your culinary expertise through step-by-step cooking videos or recipe compilations. 1. Audiobooks. Narrate captivating stories or thought-provoking non-fiction. A well-narrated audiobook can attract a large audience. 1. Language learning. Offering language lessons or tutorials can draw in eager learners from across the globe. 1. Unboxing. The satisfaction of opening a new product is a sensation that many enjoy vicariously. 1. Fitness and workout routines. Sharing workout routines or fitness advice can attract health-conscious viewers. 1. DIY and crafts. From home decor to holiday gifts, the world of DIY is vast and always in demand. 1. Travel guides. Share your travel experiences, tips, and recommendations, all through voiceovers and stunning visuals. 1. Stock market analysis. Share your insights about the stock market, investment strategies, or financial news. 1. Music tutorials. Whether it's playing an instrument or teaching music theory, this niche is ripe with potential. 1. Life hacks. Quick practical tips that make life easier are always a hit on YouTube. 1. Pet care. Share tips and advice on caring for pets, from diet to grooming. 1. Tech tutorials. From coding to using software, tech tutorials can attract a tech-savvy audience. 1. History lessons. Bring the past to life with engaging and informative history lessons. 1. Science experiments. Demonstrations of interesting science experiments can be both educational and entertaining. 1. Real estate tips. Share your expertise on buying, selling, or investing in property. 1. Gardening tips. From planting seeds to harvesting vegetables, gardening content is always in demand. 1. Car repair. Detailed guides on car maintenance and repair can attract a broad audience. 1. Fashion tips. Discuss the latest trends, give outfit ideas, or provide shopping advice. These 24 niches are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to making money on YouTube without showing your face. Each niche presents an opportunity to share knowledge, entertain, and connect with viewers, all while preserving your anonymity. So, whether you're an expert in a particular field or simply passionate about a topic, there's a niche waiting for you. The question is,